Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are decorating for fall. So this video is me taking down all of my normal decor and putting up my fall decor. And usually when I do this, I like to go around and pick up and clean the house so that it's all fresh and clean and ready for the new season. Don't feel intimidated if you don't have a full fall collection yet. A lot of years what I like to do is just go out and buy a few fun staple pieces and then I'll add those all together, and so what you see is a collection of things that I have bought this year but also what I have bought in the previous years. And after a while of doing this, you'll have a full collection of things that you love, and then you'll just switch out the few pieces that you want to each year. Another thing that I did this year to save on funds, but also as a fun fall craft, is I made this dried orange garland. If you would like to see how I did that, it is in my Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, and I will put the link in the description below. When I decorate, I go ahead and kind of mix and match things and play with them until I feel they look okay. If you have dried or faux stems, make sure that you fluff them, almost like an artificial Christmas tree, and you will really notice the difference the next time you look at some fall faux stems. If they are fluffed, I promise you they will look 1,000 times better. Another tip I have when decorating your home is shop within your own home. This is a vase that I've had for a while now, and the vase that my current utensils are stored in, I've already had as well. I had it at my wedding. So what I do is I just shop around in my home, and this looks a little more folly, so I'll just place the utensils that I have in one vase into a utensil that I have in another vase, and I didn't even have to spend any money. Thank you for stopping by my page today. I hope you enjoyed this fall decor video, and I hope it gives you inspiration to go and decorate your own home.